Hey everybody, Tanya from Shooting Star SVG back, and today I want to talk to you guys about Etsy sales and Etsy coupons that you can utilize in your shop. So if this is your first time here, go ahead and click on the like and subscribe below, as that keeps me motivated to continue making these videos so that way you can grow your business and change your life. Recently reached out to the Facebook group and somebody had mentioned, hey, can you do a video on sales and coupons? And I was like, hey, I'm already working on that. So I just want to add a few little tidbits in there and get that ball rolling, and we will go ahead and hop to it, okay? So I am in the back of my Etsy shop dashboard, okay? And to get to the coupon section, you're going to want to click on marketing. And there is a tab called sales and coupons, and you're going to want to click on that, all right? And there are a few targeted campaigns that you can go after. So there is an abandoned cart offer that you can manage, and basically after 24 hours of somebody having something in their cart, they will send a coupon code to people saying, hey, here is a 25% off coupon. Go ahead and buy the stuff that's in your cart, okay? And you can change that percentage off to whatever you see fit, up to 50%, okay? You can do the same thing for recently favorited, all right? And for this one, anytime somebody favorites, they will send somebody an email after a period of time that says, hey, you have favorited this item. Here is a 25% off coupon. So this is very useful. I actually haven't gotten much traction off of this. Looks like for this month I've gotten one sale off of the favorite, and I haven't gotten any sales off of the abandoned cart. But if you look at all time here, I have gotten $738.16 revenue from discounts for this year. I have not gotten anything off of abandoned cart or recently favorites, okay? These mostly run from my sales, all right? So usually when I run a sale for a period of time, I will get a decent amount of revenue, because who doesn't like a deal, all right? So I actually don't have any sales set up in my shop right now, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to click on new special offer, and when you do that, it'll ask you if you want to run a sale. It will ask you if you want to send offers to interested shoppers, and this has to do with setting up an offer basically to people who have abandoned cart or favorited, which we have already set up. Or you can create a coupon, and this is something that you basically will have to promote on social media or put in your announcements of your shop. I do have a coupon that if you buy a certain number of items, you will get a certain percentage off. I have since abandoned those, and I am working on creating some new ones right now that are a little bit more lucrative. But a lot of people will run a sale, and so you just click on this run a sale here, and I would like to offer shoppers a percentage off, and you choose what that discount is. I usually typically go with 25% off, but some people do more. Where is this offer valid? And you can click everywhere, or you can target that to certain countries. You can also put in a minimum order to qualify. Usually I put none. Sometimes people say you have to purchase 2 items before you can get a certain percentage off. Then you want to put your duration in. So I'm going to start with today, and I'm going to end this in 2 weeks. I'm not going to put any terms and conditions in here, and I'm just going to put in spooky 25 because I'm going to do some Halloween designs. And if you have successfully used your shop sections, you can go ahead and click on your shop sections and add what you're looking for, okay? And so I'm going to do that, and then I'm also going to go into general, and I know that I have a bunch in there, but I'm going to get rid of a lot of these. And it used to be a little bit more user-friendly to run a sale on things, but generally speaking, I will only run them on some of my newer designs so I can get them up as far as conversion rate goes. And so that's really the biggest thing for me. Generally, when I put new listings in my shop, I will go through and put the newer ones on sale, so that way they can achieve a higher conversion rate compared to other listings. And so in this case, I'm going to go ahead and review and confirm that. I have 97 listings, and I'm going to confirm and create discount, and my sale is live. All right. So now when I go to my shop, you will scroll down, and if I click on Halloween, you will see that everything is 25% off, and people will see that when they come to my shop. Okay? And so that's all I have on sales and coupons. Unfortunately for Etsy, there is not really a good way to do a buy one, get one. To do that, you would have to go into like, automatically that is. You would have to create a coupon, and you can do a fixed amount off. So if all of your listings are the same price, say that all of your SVGs or designs are $3.50, you can do a fixed amount off, okay? Or you can do a percentage off. So if you go to quantity, you can say that if somebody buys 3 items, they could get 25% off, okay? Or they could get a fixed amount off if all of your listings are the same, and you can get $3.50 off. That means 2 you're paying regular price, and 1 you are getting for free, okay? Really, that is the only way that you can provide the buy 2 get 1 free kind of offer, or buy 1 get 1 free offer, is to do a minimum quantity of 2 and then a fixed amount off of $3.50. That means instead of the price being $7 for somebody, it will be $3.50 for 2 items. Okay, but that is only if you have all of your pricing the same across your platform. And if you don't have that, this won't work. You can offer it in other ways, but right now Etsy just doesn't have that feature, unfortunately. You really have to stick to a certain percentage off that can automatically be taken off by running a sale, just like I showed you previously, or you can create specific coupons to remove a fixed amount off. If you want to provide something like that, you really have to look at a different selling platform to utilize. Okay, so that's all I have. So to recap, utilize your abandoned cart campaign, utilize your favorite campaign that can potentially get you sales, although it has been unsuccessful for me this year. It can be successful for other people. Run sales when you can. Sales, psychologically, people like to pay less, for items, and they feel like they're getting more. So go ahead and do that, and you'll see that you will probably get more revenue from running sales. And you can try to curate a percentage off based off of, how many things people buy, but you can't really do a buy one, get one on the Etsy platform. Okay, that's all I really have on Etsy coupons and sales. If y'all have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below or head on over to the Facebook group, where we're creating a community of like-minded individuals who are also trying to grow their semi-passive income. And if you got something out of this video, go ahead and click on like and subscribe below, as that keeps me motivated to continue making these videos, so that way you can grow your business and change your life. And don't forget to hit that notification button. That way you get notified every time I create new content on YouTube. If you guys have anything else, let me know. If not, I'll catch you all in the next video.